It's Major Chaos. We're at the lobby.
I didn't even know she had the...
Again. And look what I found. I found David Spates. The motherfucking David Spates.
What's up?
And he's up in this shit.
You the man. You the man.
Yeah, David Spates is the man.
No.
David Spates is the man.
I'm jealous. I didn't think of the shirt.
No. I'm jealous of you.
Damn.
I'm jealous of you.
I gotta go find one of those shirts so I can be rocking it too, man. And you got the digital name tag.
Yeah, I got the digital name tag. See right there, guys.
Oh, damn.
He's enjoying that. He wants more.
I got a little red horse
got a little red
made out of stitches.
Yeah, it's got a name tag right there on a little red thing. It's okay, Dave. It's okay, Dave.
I appreciate it.
You'll survive.
I appreciate it.
You will survive. And then guess who else is here? There's Timothy De La GHETTO.
John Owen. What's up, bro?
What's up? And John Ollie.
What's up? What's up?
What's up from Blog TV? But these are three of Blog TV right here. This is like the Blog TV.
He
dropped his toothpick.
Hey, just shake it. Just shake it.
I was gonna subscribe. You fucked my shit up.
Poor baby.
Shake the drum, dog.
Don't shake me now. Don't shake me. Come meet the giant ox. Alive. 2 tons horsepower. Pretty amazing. Wow, I can't believe it. Look how big this is. It's freaking huge. He's bigger than me. Yeah, big as hell. Here's the gates. Let's see, he's pretty big. I'm up to about here. Gate. He's up to about there with the gate. He's big. But he's cool. Check this out. I'm at the woodsignature.com and they make these really cool hand baskets out of one piece of wood and it's all hand carved. You got small pieces like this and you just lift it up like so and it becomes a wood basket just like that. And you can pop it right back down. You get something a little bigger like this and you just simply pull it up and it becomes another hand basket. Get like really cool designs like a sun.
It's solid. All you have to do is just lift it like
Or you
this.
can go a little bigger, just like hearts. Something like that. Well, if you really want to go crazy, get something like this.
Here.
Or this one that's really huge.
This one is actually a double pane. You see, it's 2
That's
layers.
pretty cool. And it's got 2. Yeah. And they even had some pots and stuff like that, and they're even bigger. Look at that. That's cool as hell. That's cool, and you can find them on woodsignature.com.
Sorry? 45.
Royal Lawful, and the chef is so dedicated to his job, he's got the crown on. It's the Royal Lawful. There you go. Royal Lawful. I now pronounce you the king.
Sir, what's your name?
Major Chaos. It's definitely one of the coolest places. It's called Frozen in Time. And use John Deere engine to make the ice cream. It's the old-fashioned engine. It's pretty cool, and they all this off with different flavors. It's been made. Various flavors of chocolate, vanilla, whatnot. And check this out. It's called the Extinguisher Monster Truck. It's pretty cool looking. And we're about to go on a monster truck ride. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Web slider or web slinger? Web slinger right here, this bad boy. So, let's see how this looks. Nice engine.
Okay?
Thank you. Alright, so alright, here we go. making me sleepy. Rock climbing live, and now they have something new. It's called the coconut climb. Gotta climb and get the coconut. I think this is definitely more of an addictive sport. A lot harder than you think. A lot harder.